How to fix ChatGPT network error. So when we go to our browser and type in ChatGPT, this should be the page that will appear on your screen. If that's not the case and your screen says error, the first thing we can do is to try opening the site in different browser. Try on Firefox and just open ChatGPT with the same account that you use in other browser. Let's just type in something to see if ChatGPT is working here. Once it gave you answers, then it's definitely working. If that didn't work, what we need to do is open again our previous browser. For me, it was Microsoft Edge. And what we will do is clear ChatGPT's cookies. To do this, open your browser, click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, click on Settings, and then proceed to Cookies and Other Site Data. When we scroll down and click on All Site Data and Permission, search OpenAI in the search bar. And to clean the data stored in this, click on the trash icon. Now close your browser and open it again just to refresh the browser. And you can check if your ChatGPT is working. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.